Hello friends, welcome to another exciting adventure in the world of art. Today, let's talk about something truly magical. Color. Color is not just a visual experience, it's an emotional one too. Color is everywhere, and it has the power to transform our world, especially our paintings. Imagine walking into a room filled with vibrant hues. It instantly lifts your spirits. Just like a happy little tree brings joy to a landscape, the right colors can make your artwork come alive. Think of how a splash of red can add drama, or a touch of blue can bring calmness. Understanding color theory is like having a secret key to unlock a world of creativity. It's not just about knowing the colors, but understanding how they interact with each other. Now, don't be intimidated by the word theory, because we're going to keep things simple and fun, just like our painting sessions. Think of it as a playful exploration rather than a strict set of rules. We'll explore the basics of color, from the color wheel to different color schemes. The color wheel is a fantastic tool that helps us see the relationships between colors. Once you understand these fundamentals, you'll be amazed at how easily you can create stunning and harmonious paintings. It's like learning a new language that allows you to express yourself more vividly. Remember, there are no mistakes, only happy accidents. Every stroke of color is a step in your creative journey, and sometimes the unexpected results are the most beautiful. So, grab your brushes and paints, and let's embark on this colorful journey together. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, there's always something new to discover. It's important to remember that color can evoke emotions and tell stories in our paintings. A well-chosen palette can convey joy, sadness, excitement, or tranquility. By carefully choosing and combining colors, we can create moods and guide the viewer's eye. Think of your canvas as a stage and the colors as actors playing their parts. So let's dive in and discover the joy of color together. Let's experiment, play, and most importantly, have fun with it. The world of color is vast and full of endless possibilities. Mixing colors is like a magical process where you can create an infinite number of shades. It's like being a wizard with a palette, conjuring up new and exciting hues. Different brushes and techniques can also affect how colors appear on your canvas. Experiment with various tools to see how they can add texture and depth to your work. Blending colors smoothly can create beautiful gradients and transitions, adding a sense of realism or dreaminess to your paintings. Always take a moment to step back and admire your work. See how the colors interact and how they make you feel. This reflection can guide your next steps and inspire new ideas. Sharing your colorful creations with others can be incredibly rewarding. It allows you to see your work through different eyes and gain new perspectives. So let's embrace the wonderful world of color with open hearts and curious minds. Let's paint our dreams and share our visions with the world. Remember, the world is a canvas, and you are the artist. Use the colors around you to create something beautiful and meaningful. Happy painting, friends. Our first stop on this colorful adventure is the color wheel. This simple yet powerful tool is the foundation of understanding color theory and how different hues interact with each other. It's like a map that guides us through the vibrant world of colors, helping us navigate the endless possibilities of artistic expression. Think of it as your artist's palette, a beautiful arrangement of colors that work together in perfect harmony. Each color has its own unique personality and role, and when combined thoughtfully, they can create stunning visual effects that captivate the viewer's eye. The color wheel is made up of 12 basic colors, like a family with each member playing a special role. These colors are divided into three main categories: primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Each category has its own significance and contributes to the overall harmony of the color wheel. We start with the primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. These are the most fundamental colors in the wheel, and they cannot be created by mixing other colors. They are the purest forms of color and serve as the building blocks for all other hues. These are the parents of the color family, the building blocks from which all other colors are born. Without these primary colors, the vibrant spectrum of colors we see in the world around us would not exist. You can't mix other colors to get these primaries, but you can mix them to create everything else. By combining these primary colors in different proportions, we can create a wide range of secondary and tertiary colors, each with its own unique characteristics. Next, we have the secondary colors: orange, green, and violet. These colors are created by mixing two primary colors together, resulting in hues that are vibrant and dynamic. These are the children of the primary colors created by mixing two primaries together. Each secondary color has its own distinct personality and can be used to create a variety of moods and effects in your artwork. Red and yellow give us orange, a warm and energetic color that can evoke feelings of excitement and enthusiasm. Yellow and blue create green, a color that symbolizes growth, harmony, and freshness. And blue and red make violet, a color often associated with creativity, mystery, and luxury. See how the family is growing. Each new color adds depth and richness to the palette, allowing for more complex and nuanced compositions. Finally, we have the tertiary colors, which are like the grandchildren. These colors are created by mixing a primary color with a neighboring secondary color, resulting in hues that are more subtle and sophisticated. They're created by mixing a primary color with a neighboring secondary color. This process results in colors that are more nuanced and can add a touch of elegance and complexity to your artwork. For example, red and orange create red-orange, a color that combines the energy of red with the warmth of orange. Yellow and green make yellow-green, a color that blends the freshness of green with the brightness of yellow, and so on. Each tertiary color has its own unique charm and can be used to create a wide range of effects in your artwork. The color wheel is a visual representation of the relationships between colors, and it's an essential tool for any artist. By understanding how colors relate to each other, you can create more harmonious and visually appealing compositions. By understanding the position of colors on the wheel, we can easily identify complementary colors, analogous colors, and other color harmonies that we'll explore later. Complementary colors are opposite each other on the wheel and create a striking contrast when used together. Analogous colors are next to each other on the wheel and create a more harmonious and cohesive look. There are also Triadic and Tetradic color schemes that use 3 or 4 colors evenly spaced around the wheel, offering even more possibilities for creative expression. Now that we know our color families, let's talk about how we can change their appearance. Colors are like chameleons. They can transform and adapt to different moods and settings with just a few tweaks. This transformation is what makes the world of art so magical and versatile. Think of it like dressing them up for different occasions. Just as we choose our outfits based on the event, we can alter colors to fit the mood or theme of our artwork. Whether it's a vibrant celebration or a serene landscape, the right color adjustments can make all the difference. We can make a color lighter, darker, or less intense, and it's all thanks to our friends white, black, and gray. These 3 colors are like the secret ingredients in a recipe, allowing us to create a variety of visual effects and emotions in our paintings. When we add white to a color, we create a tint. Tints are like the morning light, bringing a fresh and airy feel to the colors. They can evoke feelings of innocence, purity, and lightness. It's like adding sunshine to our color, making it brighter and more delicate. Tints are perfect for capturing the essence of springtime with its blooming flowers and gentle breezes. For example, adding white to red gives us pink, and adding white to blue gives us a lovely sky blue. These lighter hues can be used to create a sense of openness and space in our artwork. Adding black to a color creates a shade. Shades are the opposite of tints. They add a sense of mystery and depth, much like the shadows cast by the setting sun. This deepens the color, making it more mysterious and intense. Shades can evoke feelings of sophistication, elegance, and drama. Imagine a rich, dark forest green or a deep, velvety red. These colors can add a touch of luxury and intrigue to our paintings, drawing the viewer into the depths of the scene. These are shades that add drama and depth to our paintings. They can be used to create striking contrasts and focal points, making certain elements stand out. And then we have tones, which are created by adding gray to a color. Tones are like the middle ground between tints and shades, offering a balanced and harmonious look. This softens the color, making it more subtle and subdued. Tones can evoke feelings of calmness, stability, and sophistication. Think of a dusty rose or a muted sage green. These colors are perfect for creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere in our artwork. Tones are perfect for creating a sense of calm and tranquility in our artwork. They can be used to create a cohesive and soothing color palette that is easy on the eyes. By mastering tints, tones, and shades, we can create a wide range of values within a single color. This allows us to add complexity and nuance to our paintings, making them more engaging and dynamic. This allows us to add depth, dimension, and interest to our artwork. By layering different values of a color, we can create a sense of three-dimensionality and realism. It's like adding different layers of beauty to our paintings. Each layer contributes to the overall richness and texture, making the final piece more captivating and expressive. Sometimes our colors need a little bit of calming down. That's where neutralizing comes in handy. It's like finding the perfect balance in our paintings. We can neutralize a color by adding its complement, which is the color directly opposite it on the color wheel. For example, red's complement is green. If you mix red and green together, you'll notice they neutralize each other, creating a muddy brown or gray. The same goes for blue and orange, yellow and violet. They balance each other out. Neutralizing colors doesn't mean making them dull or boring. In fact, it's quite the opposite. By slightly neutralizing colors, we can create more natural and harmonious effects in our paintings. Think of the subtle shades of green in a forest or the warm grays of a rocky mountain. Neutralizing also helps to create a sense of depth and atmosphere. For instance, objects in the distance often appear more neutral due to atmospheric perspective. By using neutralized colors in our backgrounds, we can create a sense of distance and space, adding realism.